Alright guys, so we're heading to Dubai Maritime City. I want to show you guys where a lot of new development is happening. This is one of the hottest upcoming development areas that's you know, a lot of builders are building on, and it's very close to downtown Dubai. So we're going to make a drive down there and take a look at the area of Dubai Maritime City. Just gonna hop on this, as you can see over here, it's like an on-ramp going on to Dubai Maritime City, and we're about 6 minutes out. Almost hit this guy here, and you can actually see downtown Dubai from the other side. I don't know if you can see it here now, but very, very close to downtown Dubai. And here we are, going onto the on-ramp. And you can actually see there the sign for Dubai Maritime City. Okay. So this is where DAMAC has already launched one of their projects, which is completely sold out. That project is Coral Reef, and we are currently selling Danube Oceans. And if I show you guys on the map over here, you can actually see that we're on essentially an island. Very nice. Okay, as you can see, there is development happening here, and they have a big tower up there as well. It's telling me to go slight right, so I'm gonna go this way. Okay, and as you can see, there's a lot of land here. It's currently all underway, under construction, and this is the hottest, one of the hottest upcoming areas. You can see right over there, they have Select Group, which is a big developer. They're launching a project here. As you can see, the sign for Select Group, and then there's another project over there. This one is already built, which is we'll go take a look at, and you can actually see the whole downtown Dubai, like I mentioned. Okay, so what we're gonna do, guys, is we're gonna go right by the site for Oceans, and this is a 10-year plan. Dubai Maritime City is a 10-year plan, but once this is complete, it's gonna be really special. So this looks like one of the completed towers over here. And again, we're on Maritime City, Dubai Maritime City. If you look straight ahead, you can see all of downtown Dubai. So it's very close to downtown Dubai. There's all development. And if you see over here, that is Select Group. They're building out a condo over there, condo project. Hey guys, so I just got out of the car. I wanted to show you guys quickly one of the developments happening here. So it's not just that there's one developer here building on Dubai Maritime City. There's a lot of developers here. They all believe in this area. And honestly, I do too. It's right on the water. It's right between DEYAAR and downtown Dubai. Tremendous location. And I'm going to flip the camera and show you guys what Select Group is building here on Dubai Maritime City. After that, we're going to make a drive a little bit further down and take a look at what DAMAC is building, which is Coral Reef, and then what Danube has just launched, which is Oceans by Danube. All these projects are extremely high demand. There's not much inventory left, but if you are interested, then we can see what we can get for you guys. And let me flip the camera over here. Okay. So as you can see, this is by Select Group, and this is coming here on Dubai Maritime City. As you can see, that was Select Group. We're gonna make a drive towards DAMAC, Coral Reef, and then finally Danube Oceans. Wow, it looks like Select Group. Okay, that might be the same building, but So this is RIVA Residence. That's being also built out by Vaccine Quality Homes. This is a residence complex. Hey, it's nice and hot here in Dubai, and let's take a look quickly at DAMAC. Okay, so as you see over here, this is Coral Reef. This was recently sold by DAMAC Properties. I'll go take a quick look at it. Okay, and as you can see, guys, this is the site location for DAMAC Coral Reef, which I believe is completely sold out, but it's actually very close to the RIVA Residence and just down the street from Danube. You can see here's the site location, and this is for DAMAC Coral Reef. There's the site. This is where the building is coming, and look at the view. You're gonna have a whole view of DEYAAR if I zoom in, and a whole view of the cruise port, Port Rashid. Unreal. And then over there, their select group, I believe they're building another tower, and then we're gonna go take a look at Danube as well. And you can see the whole port there. This is ANWA tower. So this tower looks like it's basically completed. Very cool. So this is completed. Just gonna park here. Okay, so here's the ANWA by Omniat. As you can see all the way up there. This tower looks to be basically completed. Amazing. Okay, so there's actually another building here, which is Casa, and this looks to be by DEYAAR. And this is another development in Maritime City. So I'm gonna park my car here. And then lastly, we're basically at DAMAC and then Danube. Okay, so this is Casa, right next to the ANWA. So this is also getting built out. And this is by DEYAAR. This whole street's gonna be lined up with towers in 10 years. Okay, and over here, as I can see, that is DAMAC. All right, and then looks like the last building here on this line is Oceans by Danube. And here's the Oceans by Danube property sites. Amazing, and the sales office. Okay, as you can see, this is the location for Danube Oceans. You can see all the signage, and you can see the approval from Dubai Land Department. And this is going to be a beautiful, beautiful tower, three-part tower, as you can see over here. And you can see all the construction going on. And it looks like they have a sales office here too. I'm not sure if it's open, but and wow, straight ahead you can see all the cruises. Let me pause this and then drive up and show you guys. Okay, and as you can see, this is the site location. We're gonna make a quick walk here and take a look at the viewpoint. So as you can see here, this is what the building is gonna look like. It's going to be a beautiful, beautiful building right on the pier, and it has an infinity pool right at the top. We have all the details of the building. We'll show you in the PDS. But what I really want to show you guys right now is the site location. I want to show you where this exactly is in Dubai to give you guys a visual, and yeah, and really help you understand how prime of a location this is in Dubai. So as you can see, I'm walking now. The site is just over here to the left. This is the site for Oceans, and I'm walking right here to show you. Look at your viewpoint. Right on the ocean, and that's why the building is called Oceans. So you have a whole view of the seaport and of Port Rashid. Look at this view, guys. Wow. Okay, and as you can see, the building is right there. So anyone that has a sea view, you're going to be looking straight, basically towards DEYAAR and the cruise port and the sea. Okay, and as you can see, this is the on-site sales office for Oceans by Danube. But it doesn't look like there's much going on here. I know their headquarters is towards Sheikh Zayed Road. But that's where all the action is, I think, happening. And you can see the construction. They already have some construction underway here. And again, the whole view over here. Okay. Okay. All right, guys, so that was basically a little bit of a tour of the development that's happening here in Dubai Maritime City. If you have any questions, if you're looking for more information, feel free to reach out to us at 647-628-4025. That is a Canadian number, so the area code is +1. You can also email me. I'll put my email here below, cashshake786@hotmail.com, or you can also reach me, cashshake786@gmail.com, or you can reach me at kashifshake786@hotmail.com. Thanks a lot, guys. Take care.